It's Jules from the Daily Drop Society. Do you ever need help just calming down? Maybe just getting a better night's sleep? Feeling less anxious all the time? Then you are going to love this blend from doTERRA. Today we're talking about doTERRA's essential oil blend, Serenity. Serenity is known as the Restful Blend because it has a calming and relaxing aroma to it. Inside this blend are oils like lavender flower, cedarwood, wood, ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, Hawaiian sandalwood, and the thing that gives it just that little bit of a sweet scent to it is vanilla bean absolute. Why these essential oils are so popular for creating a restful blend is that these essential oils are renowned for their ability to lessen feelings of tension and to calm our emotions. It also supports a restful night's sleep when we use it aromatically. Now, aromatically just means to breathe it in, to smell it through the air. Now, you can use a diffuser to do this if you want that aroma to go throughout the night, or you can apply it to your chest, your pillow, so you are smelling that in. Now, it does this by reacting with our limbic system in the brain. This helps our brain create a new pathway by smelling a natural plant aroma in, and it helps it create a different response that we are looking for. It helps trigger our brain to do something a little bit differently. We're trying to get our body to calm down and to relax so we can get a better night's sleep. Sleep quality is so important to our health. We sleep to restore the brain chemicals and rest the body. Some researchers believe that the brain organizes and stores memory during sleep. So if we aren't getting sleep, it's gonna affect our daytime functioning, our hormone balance, our appetite, and our immune system. Maybe for you it's not calming down. Maybe for you it's just turning your brain off at night. That is totally my problem. I usually have lists by my bed because my mind is running a million miles an hour all the time. That's why it's so effective that this blend uses cedarwood, wood, and vetiver. These essential oils give this blend a grounding aroma that calms the mind and soothes the senses so you can turn off those thoughts that keep you up all night long. So let's talk about 4 ways I love to use this blend, Serenity. You can add 1 drop to your hands and smell to help lessen feelings of being worried. You can diffuse it at night to get a more restful night's sleep. You can add 1 to 2 drops of this oil with a tablespoon of a carrier oil and some Epsom salt and add it to a bath to create a relaxing, renewing experience before bed. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the back of the neck or on the heart for feelings of calmness and peace throughout the day. Bonus use, you can really just wear it as a perfume because it smells incredible and you can ditch those synthetics out of your life. So you're gonna feel calm and relaxed all day long with this beautiful scent following you around. I hope you guys enjoyed this tip, how to use doTERRA Serenity Essential Oil. Go out there, oil yourself up, feel empowered. Thanks for being with me, guys.